Hello and welcome to the Kenneth Kearstan Law Office Legal Podcast, looking at recent cases. And here we look at the New Jersey unreported case of State versus Kearstan, spelled Kearstan, by the New Jersey Appellate Division. The defendant here appealed his being found guilty of DWI. The defendant arrived at the marital home with damage to his car and a missing mirror. His wife called 911, reported he was in the basement, had an alcohol issue, and was drunk. The officer went to the house to conduct a welfare check. The wife invited the officer into the house, and the officer saw a defendant staggering, having difficulty pulling up his pants, and smelling of alcohol. The officer noted the defendant needed assistance to simply stand up. The officer and defendant went outside to talk away from the children, and the officer noticed defendant's bloodshot eyes and slurred speech. The defendant admitted to having several drinks. The officer admitted field sobriety tests, arrested the defendant, and a blood draw showed a BAC of 0.29. Now, in New Jersey, the blood alcohol limit is a 0.08, so 0.29 is substantially more. The defendant moved to suppress a blood alcohol test and his incriminating statements. The trial court denied the suppression motion, finding the wife invited the officer into the home, and the warrantless entry was justified under the community caretaking and emergency aid doctrines, and the question was similar to a preliminary roadside drunk driving investigation. The defendant appealed up to the appellate division, arguing that removing him from his home was improper and the incriminating statements were obtained in violation of the Fourth Amendment. However, the appellate division agreed with the trial court that the officer lawfully entered his house at the wife's invitation, and the defendant's incriminating responses were the result of proper investigatory interrogation. And that's State versus Kearstan, New Jersey Appellate Division, 2019. For more information on DWI, visit Kenneth Kearstan's website, njlaws.com, or our website, benotguilty.com. That's benotguilty.com. And for representation, contact Kenneth Kearstan's office in Edison at 732-572-0500. Thank you.